Hello everyone! In the past couple of days, the weather felt like spring, so in today's video, I'm going to paint watercolor spring flowers. For those who don't know me, my name is Kate and I'm a graphic designer and illustrator. In this video, I hope you guys don't be pressured about the line and shapes and colors. I hope you just enjoy the painting. The outcome is different, it is totally fine. The first step we are going to paint is the bottom vase. By using the tip of the brush, make the shape of the vase. I've added stripe on the vase. Add your own any pattern to your vase. Next, I'm going to paint orange. The orange is not represented spring, but the citrus and the flowers reminds me of spring, so I added in this painting. I added a little dark orange on the bottom for the shadow. Now I'm going to paint a couple of yellow flowers on the right side. By using the tip of the brush, paint loosened flowers as much as you want. Now I'm going to paint large peach flower in the center. This will be the same way as other flower. Next, I'm going to add some leaves. Add variety of green colors as much as you can. It'll make more natural look. Next, I'm going to add details. Thank you for watching. I hope you had fun with my watercolor spring flower painting. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again.